talk about read alouds. Read aloud में we generally face a problem or we have a confusion that what's the accurate speed, किस speed से read करना चाहिए. Okay, so I'll tell you. First thing first, read aloud में you will get 35 seconds right for preparation. इस preparation time को you have to use wisely. ये बहुत important time है. इसमें आप इसको बोल के देखो. Right, अब इसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है? Films can be compelling when used well. They have the power to change people's perspectives and outlook on life. When we consider it in education, it has become one of the ideal teaching methods for various reasons. It helps to motivate learners to be more productive and look on a positive side of life. Okay, अभी भी टाइम बचा है. आपने फर्स्ट 35 सेकेंड्स ऐसे यूटिलाइज करने हैं कि उसमें आपने इसको पूरा बोल के देखना है, और अगर आपको लग रहा है कोई वर्ड मेरे लिए डिफिकल्ट है उसको दोबारा बोलो. जैसे सपोज आपको लग रहा है पर्सपेक्टिव्स आपके लिए डिफिकल्ट है. Perspectives. Speak again and again before your timing starts, before recording. Recording के टाइम पे आपने कितनी स्पीड से बोलना है, ये तो थी प्रेपरेशन. ओके, फर्स्टली आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज़ रियली फास्ट स्पीड, जो कि हम मोस्टली देख रहे हैं कि हम मे बी आप लोग शायद ट्रेनर्स की बात को फॉलो नहीं कर पा रहे हो, बट मोस्टली पीपल कम टू मी एंड से माई ट्रेनर टोल्ड मी दैट आई हैव टू रीड रियली फास्ट. नो, देयर इज अ कन्फ्यूजन. If you are reading really fast, system is not able to understand your audio or your voice or your speech. Okay, generally people tend to read like this. Films can be compelling when used well. They have the power to change people's perspective and outlook on life. When we consider it in education, it has become no, this is very fast. Okay, computer or system, it's not able to understand you. There's other way. Films can be compelling when used well. They have the power to change people's perspective and outlook on life. Now I am being really safe. I am trying to play safe. And this is slow. This is slow speed. What should be the actual speed for your read aloud? You should stay calm, breathe normally, and start reading. Just take pauses on full stops and commas. Okay? No need to run fast, don't be really slow, just speak like. Films can be compelling when used well. They have the power to change people's perspectives and outlook on life. When we consider it in education, it has become one of the ideal teaching methods for various reasons. ये speed आप follow करो, follow this speed. Okay, maybe for somebody this speed is fast. Focus on two things. It shouldn't be really fast, that you are not able to read the sentences correctly. You should not be running, otherwise you will miss a lot of things, so don't run very fast. It should not be very slow that you are very comfortable in reading each and every word and you are able to breathe. No, the way I am speaking right now, it's very fast, right? You are not able to understand correctly what I am saying. So speak in a normal pace so that even system is able to understand what you are trying to say. Think other than your normal speed should be, it should be same throughout the text. Now let's say in beginning I'm speaking fast, but in the end I'm suddenly changing my tone or my speed, then it's going to harm me. My fluency is going to be affected for sure. Let's say I start like, films can be compelling when used well. They have the power to change people's perspectives and outlook on life. Suddenly after this, if I change my voice or speed like, when we consider it in education, it has become one of the ideal teaching methods for various reasons. It helps to motivate learners. No, right? Don't do this. What is happening? You're speaking slow, suddenly jump, and you're coming back. Then you're going down, then like this, right? Don't make your speed to go up and down. By chance, if you have started slow, just keep going in that flow. Don't change your voice. Don't do in unnecessary modulation. Okay? Just stay normal. Thank you.